Hey people, so it's like now that this lockdown has been announced till April 15, 2020, it's all about just now using the time productively. And so yesterday, for the first time ever, I for me, I'm a writer, like saying, so I was able to write 10,000 words in a single day. So that felt so good to achieve, but it was a lot of work. But I still want to continue that for uh, basically, my goal is to reach 100 ebooks on Amazon. People, I write these books, yeah, post the link in the description below. Nobody ever checks it, I think. Please check it and take a look at the books I write. Chinna books, they are really small ebooks. So it just feels good. I mean, and so till April 15th we have this lockdown, so it's we just have to think of creative ways of spending time at home. Otherwise one goes a little crazy, I feel, and the result of going crazy is writing ebooks for me. so so anyway, people, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.